Hello guys! For today's video, alamin natin ang global warming remedies. So, basahin ko dito ang aking mga na-research sa inyo. Global warming remedies includes transition of fossil fuels to renewable energy sources like solar and wind power, improving energy efficiency in homes and transport. Practicing sustainable transportation, for example, public transit electricity, vehicles, adopting sustainable agriculture and forestry practice like planting trees, and reducing meat consumptions, implementing circular economy through waste reduction and recycling, and investing climate resilient infrastructure and policies that foster international cooperation to reduce the greenhouse gas emission. So, para maka-reduce ng global warming, ito ang ating gagawin, guys. So, I hope ma-apply nyo to sa inyong mga community or sa inyong bayan, barangay, o bansa. Maraming salamat sa inyong mga suporta, mga kaibigan, at sa pag-share nitong aking content. Have a blessed day!